watch how Lovey's first interview turned out, Hershey's fun snow day, and what happened after my trial run at the coffee shop from my previous vlog, and whether I got the job or not. Hi everyone! So here we started our day quietly and slow and squeezed in a quick errand before letting Hershey have some fun in the snow because this day was Hershey's snow day. It's a little tradition we made up for him. Whenever fresh snow falls, it's automatically Hershey's special day. Yes, his very own winter holiday.
Hey, Chipula! Si, sama ikaw? Dali, dali, dali! Kapal na snow mo, Chi!
Hershey's pooping. Akin na siya.
Tatakbo kayo niya. Dali, 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 dali!
Sabi na lalaliman siya. Uuwi na siya.
Taaming-ming ah.
Dali, 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 dali! Ang ganda nun!
Galing mo naman doon, kaso uwi na siya niyan.
Uwi na ikaw?
Uwi na? Wala rito dali. Ayun, gusto pa niya. Dito ba? Uwi ka na? O
Uwi ka
tara
na?
pa. Dito pa ako. Wow! Enjoy na. Ba't bunny?
Kasi nga, matataas.
Be. Dali, lulubog ka dyan. Dali, lulubog ka dyan.
Dito tayo.
Hindi ka po taga dyan. Be. Oo nga, naamoy niya.
Uwi ka na?
Tara na.
Dali.
This was my trial run day related dun sa interview ko sa coffee shop from my last vlog. Right after the interview, the owner texted me with details and told me that I'd be doing a test run a week later from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. So 3 hours lang to see if I would be a good fit for the team.
Hi guys. I'm done. I'm done. So, for me okay naman. Kasi silang kasama. Bait silang lahat. May take out pa ako. Hindi ko naubos.
So here, tapos na yung test run ko and honestly, wala pa akong idea kung anong magiging result. Hindi na rin ako nakapag-video habang nandun kasi gusto ko talaga mag-focus and gawin yung best ko. For me, okay naman yung naging takbo ng trial. Medyo kabado lang ako makipag-interact sa customers kasi hindi naman ako sanay sa previous work ko na mostly boss at workmates lang ang kausap ko. Pero overall, it was a fun experience. Super kind and accommodating din ni Jad at ng mga coworkers niya. They helped me learn how everything works sa coffee shop and if I remember correctly, nilibre pa nila ako ng lunch bago umuwi.
Where's my baby Hershey? Can I see? Wow! Hello! Hi, my love! Did you miss me? I missed you! Excuse. Pambili mo ng dog food yan eh. Tsaka future pang pag-room mo. Kailangan natin. Okay? Ha? Love you!
Sa uwi ko, nilabas ko muna si Hershey para mag-potty at makapag-enjoy ng konting walk sa snow. Quality time muna kami since ilang oras din siyang naiwan mag-isa and little did he know may iwan na naman siya later. After ko siyang mapakain, we had some errands to do. So I met up with Lovey after his school and his first job interview. And funny yung scene on how I found out if kung ano naging result ng interview niya.
Labi! Congrats! Bukas? Congrats, Labi. Ako antayin ko yung update. Labi, andyan na ako, Labi. Hello!
Kamusta si Orbit?
Yun, nagtataka siya. Bakit aalis ako ulit?
Ilang days din kami naghintay ng update and according to Jad, dalawa daw kaming pinagpipilian ng owner. Eventually, he decided to go with the other applicant kasi may previous experience na siya and mas aligned sa role. Medyo nakakapanghinayang pero okay lang din. It was still a good experience and I was grateful for the opportunity. Habang hinihintay namin yung result, tuloy-tuloy pa rin naman ako sa pagpapasa ng resumes online and in person. Dito, nagpasa ako sa Tim Hortons downtown after namin mabalita ang hiring sila kaya pumunta agad ako that same day. At that point, dasal, tiyaga at lakas ng loob talaga ang baon namin sa bawat application. I was also really happy na nakakuha agad si Lovie ng part-time job. Nape-pressure lang ako as an OWP because I originally hoped to be the main provider and cover most of our expenses while he focused on his studies. But at the same time, sobrang grateful pa rin kami na may source of income na kahit papano through his part-time job. Looking back now, ang daming uncertainty during those days, but we just kept showing up, kept trying, and trusted that God was leading us one step at a time. And I'm really thankful for Lovie because through all the rejections and waiting, he never made me feel less or pressured me in any way. Stayed supportive and steady, especially during the moments when things felt uncertain. If you made it all the way here, thank you so much guys for watching.